Hey Cyber Champs, Real Cyber Doctor here. Today I'm going to show the community how to install the Ubuntu operating system on VirtualBox. So let's get started. So bring up VirtualBox and go to machine, add new, and type in the machine name. So I'm going to use this machine for installing Wazoo, which you're going to see in the next lecture. So type in Ubuntu Wazoo machine. You can put whatever you like there, and it's going to be a Linux operating system, a Linux distro. I've specified where I'm going to install it in. Click next. I'm going to increase the memory size from 1 gigabyte to maybe 4 gigabytes. I need a lot of memory. Then for the storage space, I'm going to create a virtual hard disk, and I'm going to specify that I want a virtual hard disk created. I want a fixed size of more than 10 gigabytes because I have a big machine that can accommodate it. So I'm going to install it on a 20 gigabyte sized machine. So create. So I'm going to pause the video and watch the creation process happen. I'll get back to you guys. So next I'm going to check the configuration settings, see that everything is fine. Then all I need to do is to add my ISO image for Ubuntu. I have it here already. Double click, OK, start the machine. Make sure the ISO image is specified. Start. Yeah, install or try Ubuntu, first option. I'll pause the video and come back. So now we're here. All we need to do is to click Ubuntu, make sure it's English or any language you prefer. I'm in the UK, so I'm going to select my keyboard set layout as the UK. Continue. I want a normal installation. Yes. Erase and install Ubuntu. Yeah, that's fine. I don't have anything here, so I will install now. Yes, continue. Just one partition I have. I'm in Isle of Man, so you can select the country you want. Now you have to type your name, so just gonna type in Joseph, or I'll just use, because I'm installing it for Wazoo, so I'm gonna have Wazoo VirtualBox. Yeah, I'll choose a password. Nothing special, just password 01. It's a test environment, so I don't mind the password policy. Require password upon login, that's fine. Continue. So now I'm going to pause the video and wait till the installation is complete. So finally we got to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox, and I can log in with my password. So there you go. This is Ubuntu Desktop 24.0 long-term support edition, which is fine. One thing I like to do quickly is to go to the terminal and customize it. I've already customized it to my taste. I can check the list directory. See, I have desktop, documents, downloads, and I also like to check the IP address because I'm using a NAT network. So ifconfig 10.0.2.15 is my IP address, which is going to come in handy later. So this is so simple, guys. You can play with it, browse, check, look at all the applications that comes with it. It's nice, it's good. Yeah, Ubuntu is pretty much changing a lot of things around. Yeah, you can see the applications that go with it. You can also install anything you want. You can install Kali. You can install your security tools here. Ubuntu is one of my favorite operating systems to work with. Okay, connections is fine. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Go play with this, go practice this, I'll see you soon.